nor in Tesla with another quick tip. This may come as a shock to you, pun intended, but your Tesla has a lot of electronic controls. The trunk, frunk, and even the doors are all released electronically. In the case of emergency, what do? Also, what do you do if your charge cable gets stuck? Let me quickly show you how to open these in the event of emergency, such as loss of power or any other time where they might not work properly. All right, so first one is going to be your emergency door handles, which are just over here. Now, this is only for the front doors. Your rear doors don't have this. Now, just like when you open the door regularly, your window is going to come down a tiny bit to make clearance for the glass. Now, if this is an emergency, just get the hell out of the car. But if you, just because it's stuck or something else that's going wrong, just wait for the window to go down and you open the door like such. All right, we're back in the trunk. So if your charge cable ever gets stuck, there's a quick release inside the trunk. It's right over here. You just want to pull on this tab right here. Now, first off, never do this while charging and always pull the release before trying to pull out the charge cable. Don't try to do it simultaneously. Now, while we're in the trunk, obviously you have your standard trunk release, which is just up here. You know, in case kids or someone gets kidnapped, you can release it from inside, as well as because of the Tesla fold down rear seats, you can access it from inside the car as well. All right, here we are in the front area. Just go ahead and open that. Now, there is a emergency latch here as well in case, you know, those Frunk puppies or a very small child gets in there. It's right at the front here. It's illuminated. Can't miss it. Just press that. Now, the entire Frunk latch is connected by your 12-volt battery. That's what turns it on. Now, in the event that that dies, you won't be able to open your Frunk. So what you do here is inside this tow hook cover, you just press down in the top right corner and that'll pop it up. Now, you'll see the negative connection right here and your positive one will be somewhere in there as well. You just got to fish it out. And then what you want to do is you want to jump any like battery jumper or another car or a battery tender, anything like that that'll jump a 12-volt battery, hooked up to there, and it'll immediately release the Frunk latch. You'll have access to the Frunk. All right, I honestly hope you never have to use these options, but it's definitely good to know, and now you're prepared if they ever do. A special shout out to Wheeler Auto. He's a former Tesla service technician, and he helps me out a lot. So if you're in the Southern Ontario area, such as West Toronto or London Kitchener area, and need service done, check them out. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to check out my quick tip playlist. I'll put it up right up here. And you gotta subscribe. The whole point of my quick tips is to show you something that you didn't know. And if you didn't know, how are you gonna search it on YouTube? So the only way you'll get them is subscribe. So you gotta do that and hit that notification bell so you don't miss one either. All right, thanks again for watching, and we'll catch you next week.